Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to disable Leo AI in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find three horizontal lines. Click on these lines and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of your Brave browser. Once you're in the Settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Privacy and Security. This section contains important settings related to how Brave handles your browsing data, permissions, and security features, including AI-related functionalities. Now, within the Privacy and Security section, click on Site and Shield Settings. This area gives you more granular control over how websites interact with your browser and what permissions they have access to. It's an essential part of managing your browsing experience and ensuring you have full control over browser features. From here, scroll down through the options until you find Additional Permissions. Click on it to reveal more specific permission settings that aren't immediately visible in the main menu. This section houses less commonly adjusted settings, but they're still important for fine-tuning your browser's behavior. Within Additional Permissions, click on Leo AI Chat. This is the specific setting that controls whether the Leo AI feature can be accessed through your browser. By managing this permission, you're deciding whether websites and the browser itself can activate the Leo AI chat functionality. In order to disable Leo AI completely, select Don't Allow Site to open Leo AI Chat. This option prevents the AI chat from being triggered at all, effectively turning off the feature entirely. If you prefer a complete removal of Leo AI functionality from your browsing experience, this is the setting you need. Alternatively, if you want to keep the functionality available but simply hide it from your sidebar, there's another approach. In the left panel, click on Leo. This takes you to Leo-specific settings where you can control how the AI assistant appears in your browser interface without completely disabling it. Look for Show Leo in the sidebar, and right beside it, toggle it off. This hides the Leo AI icon from your sidebar while keeping the underlying functionality intact. It's a good middle ground if you don't want the visual presence of Leo, but might want to use it occasionally through other means. And that's it. You've successfully disabled or hidden Leo AI in your Brave browser based on your preference. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.